Vitamin C is the most sought after ingredient for skin brightening and youthful looking appearances. Now I bet you guys are looking for the most effective vitamin C that you can get in Singapore. Am I right? Now I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to invest in random serums, right? So it's important that you get serums that hail from established brands so that you can enjoy the maximum benefit from the ingredients. One of the best vitamin C serum that you can get in Singapore would be the MEDIPHYT Brighten-C. It is super lightweight and gentle in texture, and it is suitable for all skin types and tones. The lightweight vitamin C serum can also deliver smoothing and illuminating properties. It can balance out uneven tones and give you a healthy looking balanced complexion. Besides that, Essano Advanced Brightening Vitamin C Serum is rather promising as well. Made as a high strength potent serum that contains 5% of vitamin C, it has little to no irritation on the skin once applied. It is fast absorbing, pH balanced formula that prevents skin aging while boosting collagen production, protects skin from further UV damage, lighten dark spots, and reduce the formation of hyperpigmentation on the skin. It allows your skin to reveal a brighter and smoother complexion if you use it often. By the way, most of the products that I'll be mentioning throughout this video is available at Inside the Mall. So you want to check them out, click the link in the description below and you can go on and shop. Another great vitamin C serum that you can incorporate in your skincare routine would be the by WishTrend Pure Vitamin C 21.5 Advanced Serum. This highly concentrated serum contains about 21.5% of pure vitamin C, so first-time users may need to be a little bit careful as it may be too much at first use. However, if your skin has tolerated low levels of 10% to 15% of vitamin C, you may try this one. Formulated for maximum effectiveness on the skin, it absorbs into the skin without feeling too sticky. Next up in our list for the best vitamin C serum in Singapore, it would be the Juliette Armand Vitamin C Serum, a moisturizing serum that's filled with antioxidants, glucose, and vitamin C that effectively helps lessen the skin discoloration and prevents photoaging of the complexion. After continuous use, it helps provide more collagen formation, decreases skin damage, and protects from erythema and free radicals. Truly, it is a brightening serum that works on all skin types. If you are looking for a brightening serum that helps, brighten your dark spots, the JE Skincare and Cosmetic Vitamin C Pure Serum is your savior. This Pure Vitamin C Serum by JE Skincare and Cosmetics provide antioxidants and whitening effect for a glowing, youthful complexion. It is also formulated to help protect the skin from free radicals and future sun damage. Best for dull and uneven skin types. Moving on to a more affordable range of vitamin C serums, I highly recommend the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. It contains about 5% of vitamin C, a dosage level that is very suitable to introduce your skin. If you have sensitive skin, this serum is ideal for you as it won't cause too much irritation. This lightweight serum by Klairs is perfect for those who are about to enter the skincare realm where you're trying to experiment new products into your skincare routine. This is perfect for you because it's very introductory and very safe to use. This next serum is no stranger to the skincare community, and it is none other than the Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum. Its potent antioxidant complex contains active ingredients like pumpkin ferment extracts, pomegranate enzymes, ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, vitamin E, and other formula-supportive enzymes and antioxidants. This intensely hydrating serum can also help to protect your skin from external pollution, environmental stressors, and other damaging effects for free radicals. It's truly Singapore's best-selling vitamin C serum in the market right now. Other than that, I can highly vouch for the Biofinest Vitamin C Serum. Packed with anti-aging and moisturizing ingredients like amino acids, jojoba oil, this serum can effectively reduce wrinkles and fade out uneven tones and lines. Plus, the serum is also rich in antioxidant that can enhance and reinforce your skin so that it's less susceptible to sun damage. By far, this is the most affordable vitamin C serum in Singapore. For ladies in their 30s, I highly recommend trying out the Peter Thomas Roth Potent C Power Serum. Unlike the other vitamin C serums in the list, this one contains 20% THD ascorbate, which is like the gold standard of vitamin C. The Peter Thomas Roth Potent C Power Serum is a holy grail for those suffering from acne issues. Plus, your skin will be firmer with less fine lines and wrinkles. This final serum that I want to add in this list is a powerhouse to the skincare community, and it is none other than the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brightening and Firm Vitamin C Serum. The fast-absorbing gel vitamin C serum can instantly improve all the imperfections on your skin and give you a skin complexion. Additionally, this serum is also formulated with a unique blend of potent ingredients that can not only treat acne but also recharge your skin. Truly, it's amazing! If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos should I create next. I would love to know. Sign up at Inside the Mall right now so that you get to shop and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!